So I tried running TikTok ad earlier today with this particular video here. Let me zoom in so you see it very well. All right, so it's a video on how to make money online using our faceless YouTube channel. Okay, but then I got the notification that it was not approved. Okay, can you see here, promotion not delivering? And if you look down here, the last word there says rejection. Okay, so I had the option here to appeal, but instead of appealing, I did something that I want to talk to you about. Okay, I had to go to the description of the video and I deleted a particular hashtag that I used, and then I had to republish the same video. Okay, now you can see is under review here, promotion under review. Okay, and in a few minutes later I got this notification, promotion approved. Okay, and in case you want to know if the promotion is working, let me click on it. So we're going to the promotion area. Okay, so you can see it about 4 hours ago. At the moment we've spent about 600 naira, 9 landing pages. Okay, I wanted to do this to show you that you can actually promote a money making video using TikTok if you know how to do it. Okay, and this is part of why we have our training on TikTok ad mastery, whether with the app or with the ads manager website. Okay, so I'll play the video at the end of the day so you see how I was able to package this video. But it's beyond that. Remember, I mentioned that a particular hashtag was a reason it was being flagged. And beyond hashtags, sometimes keywords, by keywords I mean any word at all around your video or video description, can as well affect the approval or performance of your ad video, or what we call ad creative. Okay, so if you want to learn how to run TikTok ad the professional way, whether with the app or the ads manager, then reach out to me right now. If you're on YouTube, find the link in the description of this video. If you're on TikTok, you can use the link in the bio to contact me right now so that you can join the TikTok ad mastery class right away. Okay, so I'll be playing the video I used for this ad right away so that you can see and maybe learn 1 or 2 things from it. But before then, look again at the promotion results. You can see we have 2 kinds of clicks here. One is on the learn more button and then on the landing page. Okay, so you see that those who clicked on the learn more button per click is about 24 naira. Okay, and then for the landing page is about 67 naira. Okay, so this is the performance so far. By the way, I'll be taking this over to the ad manager, okay, to run a full-fledged ad on this video. Okay, so I'll be dropping the video right now. Go through it and maybe learn 1 or 2 things from it. I'll see you in the next update.
Earning in dollars is not as difficult as people make it seem. And no, you do not need to do anything like Forex, Amazon KDP, or ghostwriting, or any of those other stressful businesses. But are those businesses legit? Of course. But let me tell you something, there is an easier way to make massive dollars online. There's always an easier way. You can simply do this by turning AI into your personal assistant, into your personal dollar-making machine, simply by uploading videos to a faceless YouTube channel. You can get monetized quickly and in half the time, and you can start earning massively in dollars from the comfort of your home. Now, there are even multiple ways to make money from a faceless YouTube channel. Aside from the YouTube video views that will make you huge amounts of dollars, you can still make massive dollars from sponsorships and faceless affiliate sales. Isn't that wonderful? Multiple streams of income under just one faceless YouTube channel. Now, you do not need a camera because obviously it's a faceless account and you do not need prior experience. Neither do you need expensive gear. You do not need an iPhone or the best Android device out there. No. And you're not going there to sell anything. Okay, what you're going to do there is to allow AI do the work for you and collect your dollars. Okay, so if this is something that you want, in fact, you do not want to miss out on this, okay, click the learn more button anywhere around this video and join the live training session.